Hello everyone, today we will learn to see how farmers here grow and harvest cotton. The cotton industry is an important part of global agriculture, serving as the main source of one of the most widely used natural fibers in the world. Cotton production is an important agricultural activity in many countries around the world. The United States, India, and China are the world's largest cotton producers. The process of growing cotton begins with plowing the land. Plowing breaks up soil clumps, loosening compacted soil layers. This allows plant roots to penetrate deeper into the soil, accessing nutrients and water more effectively. This process also helps remove insect eggs and some potentially harmful pathogens. Next, the vehicle provides nutrients to the plants, including nitrogen, phosphorus, zinc, and potassium are the main fertilizers used on cotton plants. Then the seeder starts working. Cotton seeds should be planted about 1/2 to 1 inch deep. Planting too shallow can cause the seeds to dry out, while planting too deep can slow germination. This seeder will help farmers sow approximately 43,000 seeds per acre. Cotton plants need regular watering, especially during the period of active growth and flowering. Aim to keep the soil moist but not waterlogged. Watering in the morning helps the foliage dry during the day, reducing the risk of fungal diseases. Cotton, like most field crops, can be attacked by a variety of pests and weeds. Therefore, the best measure is to spray pesticides on cotton plants. Growers can effectively manage pests. The time from sowing to the beginning of the cotton harvest usually lasts about 165 days. About 2 weeks before harvest, the field should be sprayed with a chemical that causes all the leaves to fall. Currently in developed countries, most cotton is harvested by machine. In 2023, China maintains its position as the world's largest cotton producer with an estimated output of about 6.5 million tons. India continues to be the second largest cotton producer in 2023. Despite challenges such as erratic weather and pest infestation, India's cotton production remains strong, estimated at 5.8 million tons. Right after India, the U.S. still maintains its position as one of the leading cotton-producing countries with an estimated output of about 4.5 million tons. The harvester will proceed to build a circular module that is wrapped in plastic and kept in the harvester until released into the field. Cotton has been a valuable commodity for centuries, driving economies and trade networks around the world. Its importance in global trade and commerce has earned it the moniker "white gold." There are many studies showing that using chemicals to defoliate cotton causes water pollution and soil erosion. So after harvest, the tractor will pull the stalk out of the ground and cut it, leaving the plant material on the ground, which starts to decompose, so you get organic material that breaks down the soil, and that also helps control erosion. The cotton will then be transported to the processing factory. Rolls of cotton gather outside the factory before the fabric production process takes place. A modern integrated textile mill with advanced equipment and technology can have the capacity to process more than 100,000 tons of raw cotton yarn per year. Here, the cotton is vacuumed into tubes that carry it to the dryer, where the correct moisture content must be achieved before the cotton goes through a number of cleaning stages. After removing particles and trash from the lint is packed into bales to prepare for shipment to another factory. And now let's see how cotton bales are processed to become finished fabric fibers. Cotton's journey from planting to harvesting and processing is a testament to the ingenuity, dedication, and collaboration of individuals in the agricultural and textile industries. From the fertile fields where seeds take root to the bustling factories where fibers are turned into textiles, every step in the process represents a harmonious blend of tradition and innovation. May we honor this legacy with gratitude and vision as we chart a course toward a brighter tomorrow. Goodbye and see you again in the next videos.